of RYK Safi Memorial Educational and Social Welfare Society. Mrs. Bilkis Safi, Chairman and Principal Sir, Mr. J.D. Safi, and our Managing Director, Mr. Guljar Safi, Officiating Principal Sir, Mr. Karan Singh, teaching and non-teaching staff, members, accompanying guests, dear parents, media personnel, and all visiting guests. Today I am here to present the annual report of the school. My heartiest welcome to one and all. I would like to pay my sincere thanks to you all for responding to our invitation and gracing this occasion. Being a vice principal, I feel honored in presenting the annual report of the school. Safi Public School was established in 2014. This is a pioneer institute of quality education, striving hard in the pursuit of excellence in education. This school is being managed by RYK Safi Memorial Educational and Social Welfare Society, whose motive is to provide quality education. The first session of our school was started in the year 2015 with the modest strength of approx 110 students. Dear parents and guardians, this is for your kind information. Our school is divided into 3 houses: Kalam House, Bose House and Patel House. In our school, every cultural and sports activity are being performed. All students of the school participate in these activities. Academically, we have made great efforts to transform ourselves completely into CC format and are extremely successful in most of our endeavors. Students took part in various academic activities and co-curricular activity like sports meet, singing, dancing, quiz competition held every year according to the house. This year also all the activities are done to strengthen their mental and physical skills. Ample opportunity are provided to our children to play and prove their mettle in various sports and games at school clusters, regional and national level. Competition also, it's a matter of great pride to us that the students who pass out from our portals carry forward the values they have inherited, excel in whatever they do and are becoming role models in the society. During the last year academic session, our Safian achieved the apex in academic field of class 10th and plus 2. Miss Gunjan Shukla got 31st position. Or Mr. Samir Safi got 36th position. And in plus 2, Shivani Devi got 44th position in state. These are the students who got merit for in our school. They brought name and fame for themselves, for their parents and our institute, in which they enabled themselves to get this merit with the help of our faculty and the learning environment. With the academic achievements of our school, we give more attention to reduce and mental stress of the students. We organize various educational tours and picnic, etc. every year, in which students get knowledge and enjoy with their teachers. Guncha, the main theme of our 10th annual function is also focusing and highlighting the issues related to society and education system, which have its own merits and demerits, so that it can be reformed through modern educational practices. The environment in which a child starts his/her education determines his/her future. The whole object of education is to develop the mind that works and to free a child's potential by instilling in him a curiosity to learn, so that he will continue to learn as he lives. Our school is trendsetter in the field of education All the success of the school is only possible with the cooperation of our highly qualified and dedicated faculty. We thanks to the management committee of our school for their able guidance, encouragement and providing the resources required for the progress of the school. I would like to conclude by extending my sincere and warm thanks to all parents, dignitaries, guests and all media personnel and above all our well-wishers who have lent a supportive hand down through the year in all our endeavors to provide confident, educated and capable Guncha student each year, thus shaping the future of your children who are the destiny of this country. I hope you have been enjoying the cultural program of our budding artists. On behalf of entire school family, I wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2025. Thank you very much for shaping your valuable time. Thank you very much for sparing your valuable time, which is a source of motivation for all of us. Thank you once again.